Hey guys, this is Natalie from Mopar Wholesale Parts, and we have here is a new Dodge Ram key fob. We are going to show you how to change out the battery so when the time comes to replace it. So here we take out the key and we get our little Mopar screwdriver, stick it in here, pry it open, same with this side, and voila, it comes out. Do not try to pry these ones because these are hold down by screws and you will break the key fob and damage it. So all you have to do is slide the battery down, and it comes out. So when the time comes to replace it, that's how you do it. Just put it back in, put it back together, and we're done. That was easy. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mopar Wholesale Parts. If you're interested in buying the part from us, click the links below for our eBay and Amazon stores, and give us a follow on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.